Hey everybody, it's Paul with Cushion the Bush. So today at work, I'm like, hey boss man. He's like, yeah, Paul. I'm like, hey, do you think I could take my big truck on a stealth camp? He's like, well, like, what do you mean? He says, well, I got a location there, a big truck rest area with a group of trees. I'd be in full view of it, most of the time, right? And he hums and haws, and yeah, that's cool, Paul. So, we got a pump truck behind me. That's not mine. We won't take that one. We got the big boy. We won't take that one either. But we will take my unit. Unit number 33. 33 meter A-frame Alliance concrete pump. Let's do a quick pre-trip, fire it up, load the bag in, and go on an adventure. There's an ambulance down the road there if you can hear. But yeah, let's pre-trip this baby up and let's go for an adventure. Well, first things first, we gotta check the oil. She has a fresh oil change. Looks good to me. Yeah, next step is on the other side of the truck. Check the antifreeze. Looks good. And the power steering fluid is on this side as well. Looks good. Well, let's fire it up. We got a full tank, building air, oil pressure's good, temperature will be good by the time we leave, and battery volts are where they need to be. Okay, I've done all my paperwork, got map loaded, music's loaded, let's go. Mud is definitely a concern. It doesn't look muddy now, but once you get down there, I bet you that's just freaking muddy as heck. Yeah, a little bit of history on this place. It used to be a hotel and a restaurant, and it always had like a little trucker pull out and stuff so you could come and rest and pee and things like that. When I was in high school, I would come after school and stuff and on weekends and come cut the grass with a ride-on mower and weed it, whippersnip, and use the fog machine for the mosquitoes and all that stuff. So they shut it down, tore it down, and then I'm like, oh man, I gotta get there so we can, you know, do some history. And then the construction signs went up. I was like, oh, now I gotta go, like I gotta go. And then boom, it was just, there was machines here, it was freaking all torn up and just gone. So I'm hoping we can get here now and see this place develop. That would be sweet. Like if we can always just kind of come back, you know, after they've put up some buildings and stuff, because I would imagine that this group of trees will stay. But yeah, let's shut the truck down here, clutch in, key off. Ooh, it's nice and quiet. Best part of the day. So there's a truck behind me. He's got his curtains closed, so he must be sleeping. And I'm parked up right where I want to get into. So I guess there's only one thing to do, is just go do it, eh? See if we can get in there without... I'm going to put my rubber boots on. I'm going to wear my rubber boots for the night. Here comes a big rig. He's probably hauling some sort of goods. Yeah, let's get out of this truck, lock her up, and see if we can get to them trees. Bags on back. I don't know about this, guys. Either I'm going to end up on my ass covered in mud or just stuck. But again, all we can do is try. Okay, we made it, guys. Mosquitoes are bad. I have 0 bug spray or 0 thermocells. There's the highway. So yeah, that wasn't too bad actually. I'm still glad I got my rubber boots. Look how green everything is, eh guys? It's been a while since we've seen the green. Obviously we got some garbage. There's a big birch tree. A big mushroom. There's a couple of them on here. I don't even know if those are. Yeah, those are mushrooms. Fungi of some sort. Oh, look at these blocks. Look at this whole tree here. Just plastered in them. Right up to the top. Huh, neat. Well, I don't think we're getting down there with our bag on. Not this way anyways. But anyways, there's a lake down there. Well, let's grab a seat by the highway and smoke a joint. It's been a long day. I've been dying for one. Yeah, check out that old hunter stand, maybe. I mean, it's up there in freaking height. There's the bottom of the tree. You're probably 50, 60 feet up there. Huh. Well, we got some Good Supply monkey glue. We've had it before. It was really just the price was right. So that is why I picked it up. Just the price was right. You'll see there right away. That big truck leaving, he was on that rest area. So we got the highway behind us. We got Town Lacombe behind that. Yeah, well, we'll sit here and smoke this. When I got the okay to come out, work slow tomorrow, so I'm like, I just got it, right? Then the clouds and the rain and the freaking wind came and the thunder and lightning and it was crazy. And then I was like, I won't go. And then the sun came out and the wind went away, and I'm like, if I don't go, I'll just be upset at myself. So here we are, Cushing the Bush. We got the highway. We arrived by a big rig. So that was a fun adventure. And again, there'll be no wake and bake in the morning because, well, we got responsibilities. We got to get that unit back to the shop, and I work, so, right? Stealth Pepsi. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna sit here, smoke this joint, and we'll see you when we get someplace neater than this. But I also gotta stay fairly close to the truck, so I think just back there a little ways is where we'll set the hammock up. But we can still go for a walk in the meantime, right? Look at that tree. That is crazy. It's like there's like 5 trees there. A building of some sort. Another old building. Looks like an old heavy toboggan of some sort. But yeah. Look at this though. There's a big frickin' house over there. Man, what a frickin' awesome frickin' place this is. Wow. We'll go quickly explore before it gets dark. Oh yeah, we're coming back here for the sunset. Wow, this is freaking awesome down here. It's gonna be all hidden by a truck stop. I do remember these stairs now. Oh, mosquitoes are bad, guys. So yeah, Like in this area where that fence line is, the hotel used to be right here. It used to backdrop onto here, and the restaurant was on the back side. And oh man, was it ever awesome. So let's walk down these crazy steps, what's left of them. Quick. Hey, Canadian beaver, one of your beavers has chewed down the tree. Right dead center of the stairwell. So this stairwell hasn't been used in many years. That's a big tree. It's just whoa, the wood's slippery. Yeah, it's just grass and mosquitoes. There we are at the bottom. Again, with this beautiful muddy beach and this freaking insane sun. This is crazy. All these trees dead in the right on the shore bank of this little pond. The water must fluctuate quite a bit. Because I mean, you could tell like it's probably been up to like here many a times. Well, darn, I went exploring, and I guess the clouds came and kind of started to block the sunset. My bad. But yeah, let's grab another joint. All I got is another one of those, what is it called? Monkey glue? I do have another flavor, but it's up in the bag. And then by the looks of it, I might have to race back up and get the tarp and hammock set up for nighttime. Not too sure which way those clouds are going, but there is some big black clouds over there. Brought my Stealth Pepsi with me. It's pretty shooken up. But it's still cold. Yeah, well, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this sunset, what's left of it, and we'll see you afterwards. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. Well, guys, I'm done this joint. Let's get back up to camp, set up camp before this rain comes in. It says it's not supposed to, but to me it looks like the clouds are coming this way, so we better get something set up. Oh well, let's get camp set up. Bam! Just like that, camp set up. Obviously I got the tarp here, but if it doesn't rain I won't deploy it, but it's down on one side, so all I gotta do is stake it to that side and we're good to go. I don't know if I'm going to try and get a fire going or cook some supper. I'll let you know. Well, I decided to get a fire going. That was like 45 minutes of fun. It's pretty much just birch bark and it's just wet. Everything's wet. I don't think it'll last very long, but we got a fire going anyways. It's just wet. You can't really see me because the fire keeps going out. I think I'm just gonna abandon ship on it. It's just smoking everything out. It's not very stealthy as anything. So yeah, I think we'll abandon ship on the fire. Make some supper now. Well guys, I got some chunky, what is it, peppered peppered steak and potato. And I got some fresh baked buns. I got 2 buttered up both sides. So I'm gonna watch this because it's a pain in the butt to cook on these things. And we'll get back to you when we're eating it, I guess. Got her made up, warmed up, buttered bun. Nothing like a warm stew, a warm gravy. Just get her all slathered up on that bun. Fantastic. Awesome. I'm gonna eat this. We'll go sit by the bright lights on the highway, smoke a bedtime joint, and then crawl into this cocoon of awesomeness. I'm freaking excited to get in there tonight, guys. Well, we're on the edge of the tree line here. I got my big rig parked behind me. That's the rest area. To this side is the highway, and to this side here is camp. Let's smoke a bedtime joint. Wildlife Cannabis Co. Tim Buds. 24% THC. Later up. I don't know, it's got a little bit of a fruity taste to it, but nothing crazy, just a nice mellow weed taste to it. Burns fairly well. Some of the joints burn better than the other joints. It is a hybrid, if I remember correctly, but I'm only going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty high up there. They're these little 3.5 gram joints. I really, really like them. They're not so big. You know what I mean? I also did make a hot chocolate, but it was too weak, so I added some coffee. So we got a bedtime mocha, I guess. Well, my unit is parked there nice and safe. Right under the light. Nobody will touch it. This is actually really good. Like really, really good. We'll see you in the morning. Thanks for watching so far. Smoke weed every day. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Kush in the bush. Signing out, guys. We'll see you in the morning when the sun is up. Well, good morning, everybody. We made it through the night. I'm gonna say it rained a little bit last night, not too much, but everything is wet again this morning. Does not look like we are gonna get the sunrise, so probably just make a coffee and get out of here. We'll see what happens anyways, but let me get out of this cocoon of awesomeness and we'll go from there. Then I'm gonna go back, make a coffee, sit right here, enjoy my coffee, sun rising, highway going by, so I'll be right back. I got a coffee made. The sun has risen. It is definitely wet out here today. But I tell you, I had a wonderful sleep. Oh, it was absolutely fantastic. Wasn't cold one little bit. Super comfy. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Smoke weed every day, except when you got frickin' responsibilities, right? Then maybe ease her down a little bit. Yeah, again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you on the next adventure. Whatever that'll be. Who knows? Peace, guys. See you next time. Camp's all cleaned up. Let's do a quick camp inspection. Yeah, that was hammock tree number 1. Hammock tree number 2. Leave no trace. That's where we attempted to have a fire last night and failed. But let's get out of here. Just wait for this guy to go. And let's go. Fantastic. Again, we gotta check the oil. Check the oil every day. It's good. Just fired up. I think I'm gonna go check out these bathrooms. I think I need to go number 2. Cows in that trailer. They stink. Yeah, and then again, there used to be a hotel here in the corner. There's a bit of a parking lot, nice driveway with lilacs going on both sides. Yeah, and we spent the night up over there. So yeah, again, hopefully we can watch this place develop. I imagine they'll put businesses and restaurants and stuff here. So that'll be neat. Hopefully that group of trees stays and we can just keep camping here as they develop the area. Yeah, here's our bathroom facilities. Closet full of extras. Has running water, not warm. Yeah, I need to go in there, so we'll see you after that. Don't go in there, man. Don't do it. Go to the bush, trust me. Oh.